This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the slide so the animation has context and contrast. First, pick a 16:9 slide and apply the background image or color that supports motion. Then import the visual assets, shapes, photos, or PNG layers, and name them in the selection pane so you can control each element precisely. Once done, open the animation pane and add a simple entrance effect to the first element, choosing on click, or with previous depending on whether you want manual pacing or an automated flow. You now craft the movement and timing that sells the background. Add motion paths or transform effects and edit path points so motion follows a natural arc. This prevents robotic linear movement. Next, adjust duration and delay, try 0, 5s to 2, 0s ranges, and enable smooth start and end to soften acceleration. Once elements move well individually, sequence them by grouping related layers, and using with previous or after previous to create overlapping actions that read as a single, cohesive background animation. You finish by previewing and locking the experience. Run the slideshow and use rehearsed timings to capture the exact pacing. Make micro adjustments to delays and durations until transitions feel natural. When satisfied, export the slide as MP4 or set automatic slide advance for kiosk playback, and always test on the target display to confirm resolution and frame rate. If animations skip or behave oddly, check triggers and layer order first. Then try disabling hardware graphics acceleration. This single fix often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.